So if you have ever subscribed to Lola Beauty Box or are currently subscribed to Lola Beauty Box, then I highly suggest that you continue watching this video because they are scamming people left and right for multiple amounts of money under multiple different names. So if you want to hear all the details on this and more, then just stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Alexandra here, and I really wish I was coming to you under better circumstances or gladder tidings. And I also want to apologize that I didn't get this video out today sooner. I did tell you guys that I was going to get it out earlier, but my little bundle of joy has not been very much joy today. So I haven't really been able to get anything done. I had to wait for Steve to get home. So again, I sincerely apologize for that. But let's get on into this Lola Box scam because guys, this, I mean, the crap's getting deep. Like, it's really deep, okay? So if you are currently subscribed to Lola Box or have ever, and I mean ever, subscribed to Lola Beauty Box, even if it was over a year ago or more, I highly suggest you check your credit card or bank statements, okay? So this is what's going on. They are either filing bankruptcy or have already filed bankruptcy. They have shut down their Instagram and Facebook accounts. They do still currently have their Twitter account, but this account hasn't been touched since 2016, and I'm not even 100% sure that it is attached to the same Lola Beauty Box company, although it does look like their stuff, but they only have 31 followers, and again, it hasn't been touched since 2016, but that is still the only thing that's up, including their website, okay? So they have not shipped out any boxes for the month of May. They have not shipped out any boxes for the month of June. They went ahead and charged everybody for May. They've charged everybody for June. But on top of that, they are also charging people who have previously subscribed to them. So if you subscribed to them just one time last year, I would check your credit card and bank statements wholeheartedly. And just to let anybody know, please share this, get this out there if you are a friend or you have a friend that has subscribed to Lola Beauty Box, and make sure you're getting the word out that this company is definitely scamming people, and they're doing it under multiple different names. So check your credit card statements for or your bank statements for 3 names. They are charging under Lola Beauty Box, Amazon Ship, okay? And then a company called Pretty Little Liars. From what I understand, that is a sub-affiliate or another company that they had that has already went bankrupt, but they are still using that name and they are still charging people. So those are the 3 ones to look out for, or any other suspicious $21 charges on your bank statement. If you don't know what it's for, I really suggest you get in contact with your bank or your credit card company and you find out where exactly that statement is coming from, because that's what's going on right now, you guys. People are getting charged for these $21 amounts. They're, having their bank look into it, and it is coming back to Lola Beauty Box, and they are literally charging people. Like, I think they made a charge on May 10th, so check around that date, around May 1st, of course, in June. On June 1st, so I would keep an eye out on June 10th. So definitely get a hold of your banks, put stop payments and holds on those cards or cancel them, whatever you have to do, because what's going to happen is if they already filed bankruptcy or they are filing bankruptcy, then they will not have to pay any of that money back to anyone. They will not have to give them the boxes, and they will not have to pay the money back. They will not be basically responsible at that point. So if you go through your bank and you let them know right now, while it's still fresh, that this was a fraudulent charge, you did not okay this, that the company is going bankrupt, they are shutting down, they have deleted themselves off of all social media and all of that, go ahead and file a claim with your bank. Then at that point, they will take over and pursue them for this. And then if they do, or if they already have filed bankruptcy, your bank will be the one kind of out the money, sorry to say, but that's why they're insured for this kind of thing. But you're not. So make sure that you go ahead and file those claims as fraud claims now while it's still fresh, and you can do something about it and get your money back, okay? Also, make sure, again, that you're checking for any other unknown $21 charges. Again, keep an eye out for Lola Beauty Box, Pretty Little Liars, Amazon Ship, and I think it's technically like Amazon Ship HTP something or other. So anything like that you don't know what it was and it's $21, definitely get in contact with your bank. Let them know, hey, I don't know what this is. Can you tell me? And if they trace it back and it's Lola Beauty Box, I would for sure let them know, hey, this was a fraudulent charge. Now, for all those people that paid for May and June's box, again, same thing. I would get in contact with your bank and let them know that it's been over a month that you have not received this product, and you can also file for a fraudulent claim saying that you paid for something and you did not receive it, okay? That's why, again, your banks are insured for this kind of thing. That's why they have departments that go and search, and they have fraud departments that go and investigate all these kind of things to get you your money back and, you know, keep your account secure, okay? So make sure you definitely get in contact first thing Monday morning, which is why I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible. I normally don't like to upload this late, you guys, but I felt like this was really important and everybody needed to know. Again, if you have any friends or you know anybody that is subscribed to Lola Beauty Box, make sure you let them know. And also, another thing, you guys, I would also go ahead and right now, Lola Beauty Box's website is still up and running. They are still taking orders. Like, it's that sad, you guys. It really disgusts me, quite frankly. But I would go ahead right now and get on Lola Beauty Box's website, okay, and delete your information. And I wouldn't just delete it, I would change it, okay? Because I actually went through something like this, similar to this, and I had to do the same thing. I went in there and I changed my name to a fake name. I changed my address to a fake address. I put a bank card in that wasn't like a usable bank card. It was still technically valid on paper because it hadn't expired yet, but it was like a prepaid bank card that I had used up. You know what I'm saying? So I would go ahead and change and cancel and withheld, because obviously they have saved this information, so they are using it. So I would go in and change it, and not just delete it, but change it first, then delete it, because obviously they're saving the info to be able to go back and charge people that have already canceled from a year or 8 months ago or 6 months ago. That's what they're doing. So I would go in there and change your information and then delete it, okay? Because somewhere they have some kind of system that is keeping up with everything and is saving everything, so that way they can go back and charge you, not just under Lola Beauty Box, but under these other sub-affiliate bankrupt companies that they own. So definitely do that while you still have a chance, because currently their website is still up, you guys. So I would definitely go in there and do that while you can. Let me know down below, is anybody been affected by this? Or, you know, God, I feel so bad if you have. Like I said, first thing Monday morning, and if your bank's open now, if you have a bank like mine, I go through USAA, and they are wonderful. I can call them anytime, day or night, and they will handle this kind of thing. But if your bank's not open until Monday, I would definitely, first thing Monday morning, get in contact with them. And I am so sorry that you guys are going through this, but that's why I wanted to get this out to you guys as soon as possible today. And again, I apologize that I could not get this out a little sooner. Hopefully Liam will get bigger and not be as needy here soon, so fingers crossed. But I do have some other sub boxes that I am investigating for you guys, so I do not want to see anybody go through anything like this. And the thing is, it's sad because this gives subscription boxes, like especially new ones, a bad rap, you know what I mean? And you're now going to be all hesitant, like, do I want to subscribe to this company? Because the sad thing is, this one company, this one bad apple, of course, one bad apple ruins a whole bunch, you know, and that's, sorry to say, the way it works. So, you know, that is why I have this channel, though, because I want to help keep things like this from happening, and when they do happen, be able to let you guys know, hey, this is what's going on, this is what you need to do, because I don't want to see anybody be scammed. I've been scammed. I've got other scam videos on this, you know, channel from where I've been scammed in the past, so I don't want to see something like this happen to anybody, and I'm really, really sorry if it's happening to you, but hopefully you can take the steps and preventative measures in the future so that something like this doesn't happen. You know, sometimes you got to get a P.O. box. Sometimes you got to get a, you know, pay for subscription boxes with a prepaid bank card. You know, I've come to find that that's a really good way to go about preventing these kind of problems and giving, you know, access to your information and things like that. You know, there are ways that you can still enjoy subscription boxes, but also keep yourself protected. All right, guys. So again, let me know down below what's going on. Are you going through this? Have you been affected? You know, did you know about this? Did you know that they were canceling and then recharging people that have canceled? You know, did you even know? Let me know. Hopefully I saved a few people a little bit of headache. I really, really hope so. And also gave a whole lot of other people answers, because I know a lot of people were like, why haven't I got my May box yet? Why haven't I got my June box? What's going on? So this is what is going on, you guys. And again, I am really sorry that it is happening to you. If it is happening to you, I just, again, I really, really do feel for you, because I have been in your situation, but hopefully you guys can get this taken care of as soon as possible. Again, I love you guys so much, and that's why I do this channel and do these videos, to try to help you guys. And I really do care about you and your money, and hopefully some of the things that I've said in this video will help you be able to prevent something like this from happening in the future, but still be able to enjoy subscription boxes. All right, you guys. So again, I love you so much. I will have more videos up for you guys this weekend. Of course, we'll be doing our live at 9 p.m. Sunday Eastern Standard Time. So you guys keep an eye out for that. And then we also do have our giveaway, our ColourPop Blue Moon palette giveaway going on. So make sure you check that out, and I will see you guys later. Bye.